in a triangle ABC, AB is equal to 85, BC is 205 and AC is 221. I can observe these lengths as the multiple of 70. AB is giving me as 85, which is 17 into 5. BC is giving me as 204, which is 17 into 12. And AC is giving me as 221, which is 17 into 13. This is Pythagoras triplet 5, 12 and 13. So I know this triangle ABC is right angle triangle. So A, B, C. AB is 85, 17 into 5. BC is 17 into 12. I know 12, 5 and 13 is a right angle triangle and it is 17 into 13. Now O is the circumcenter of triangle ABC. I know the circumcenter of triangle of any right angle triangle lies on its hypotenuse, and it is the midpoint of that hypotenuse, because if we draw a circle containing this triangle, I know the angle in a semicircle, angle formed in a semicircle is of 90 degrees. So the center of this midpoint of this hypotenuse will be the center of this circumcenter. Now BD, this O is the center. BD is the angle bisector of angle ABC. Angle ABC is this 90 and the angle bisector of this BD, this is BD. This angle ABC angle bisector is giving me as AD. So this angle is equal to this angle. Now find OD if D lies on AC. If D lies on AC, I need to find this length. Let's just assume this length is X. This is half of 13 into 17 by 2, or this length OC is 221 by 2. And this length AC is 221 by 2 minus X. Using the property of angle bisector bisects, or angle bisector intersects the opposite side in the ratio of side containing that particular angle bisector. So I know the ratio of these two lengths, that is, this BD is intersecting this line AC in the ratio CD is to AD. So this CD is to AD will be the ratio of lines containing that particular angle bisector. So this is 17 into 12 and this is 17 into 5, which is 12 by 5. CD, I know CD is 221 by 2 plus X and AD is 221 by 2 minus X. Using the property componendo dividendo, I can find the this is A plus B, this is A minus B. Using componendo dividendo, I can find the ratio of these two, 2 to 1 by 2 on X. Applying componendo dividendo, it will become A plus B, that is, this is A and this is B. A plus B upon A minus B. A plus B would be 2 to 1 by 2 into 2 upon A plus B. This is A plus B and A minus B. A minus B will be 2X. And it will become A plus B, A minus B, that is 70 upon 7. So 17, this went 2 to 1 get cancelled, maybe 13 times. This 2 to get cancelled. X becomes 13, 7 is 91 divided by 2, which is 45.5. So correct answer to this question is option C.